Welcome to UKey Wallet. In this video, you'll learn how to backup and import your wallet on UKey Core 26 using UKey Seed Card. To backup wallet on the UKey Core 26 home screen, select Backup. Select UKey Seed Card as your backup method. Then enter the device's passcode. To verify your wallet, you'll first be asked to enter your recovery phrase on the device. Select the length of your recovery phrase, 12, 18, or 24 words. Then enter the words in the initial order. The backup can start once the recovery phrase you entered is verified. Then, place the UKey Seed Card near the device's NFC reading area. Tap Continue and keep the card positioned correctly until the connection is complete. While your card is being scanned, set up a 6-digit card PIN to continue. Once complete, your wallet is successfully backed up. Now let's import wallet using UKey Seed Card. First, press and hold the button to turn on your UKey Core, then choose your preferred language. You can check whether your device is activated for the first time or skip after 10 seconds. Then tap Import Wallet and choose UKey Seed Card as an import method. Set up a PIN for your device which can range from 4 to 50 digits. Then confirm it. You can add your fingerprint as an alternative way to unlock the device, or just skip it by tapping Not Now. Then, place the UKey Seed Card near your device's NFC reading area. Tap Continue and keep the card positioned correctly until the connection is complete. While your card is being scanned, enter a 6-digit card PIN to continue. Once complete, your wallet is successfully imported. UKey Seed Card makes self-custody simple. Securely back up and import your wallet whenever you need it.